Cheesy Doritos. Like, what are you doing, monk? You videoing me? Are you? Are you actually? No, you're not. You're taking a photo. You're just taking a photo. What are you doing? Don't be a weirdo. Cheesy Doritos. I want cheesy Doritos. Glass of water. Get me the apple sours. Fingers. Oh, he's fingering me up the ass. It's like that, you bitch. He's just taking a photo. There you are. Stop being funny. I can't even see that, so what the fuck? I don't even fucking care.
Let me see you walking.
I can walk perfectly fine.